बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वन वर्ड इंग्लिश सब्सटीट्यूशन, जो कि पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी वन पेपर के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ मर्डर ऑफ वंस चिल्ड्रन। मर्डर ऑफ वंस चिल्ड्रन जो है, इसे अगर हम सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे वन वर्ड में, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फिलिसाइड। मर्डर ऑफ वंस ब्रदर, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फ्रेट्रिसाइड. Murder of one's parents, that is called parricide. Next is murder of one's sister, that is called sororicide. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं, जिन्होंने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, काइंडली मेरे चैनल PPSC गाइड एंड इंग्लिश प्रिपरेशन को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। नेक्स्ट इज़ लिव इन रिलेशनशिप अ मैन एंड अ वुमन लिविंग विदाउट बीइंग मैरिड, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कंक्यूबियंज. नेक्स्ट इज़ हैपनिंग इन 5 years. 5 years में जो कुछ हैपनिंग हुआ, दैट इज़ क्विनक्विनियल. 150th एनिवर्सरी को क्या कहते हैं, दैट इज़ सेस्क्विसेंटेनियल. अ कलेक्शन ऑफ पोएम इज़ कॉल्ड एंथोलॉजी. अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कॉटन टाइड इन अ बंडल, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड बेल. A large group of girls or ladies, that is called bevy. A pair of pigeons, that is called brace. Of inner circle of members of government, that is called caucus. A small person belonging to a body, that is called clique. A group of applauders are paid to clap, that is cock. A group of islands, that is called cluster. A group of worshippers is called congregation. Next is a small fleet of boats, that is called flotilla. A number of fish caught in net, caught at one time, that is haul. A number of ruins, stones, that is heap. Of young pigs, dogs at birth, that is litter. A group of people who are the same in some way, that is pose. A section of hair, that is lock. A large number of fish swimming together, shoal. A sequence of similar items is called string. Flies are locusts, bees are ants, that is called swarm. A framework of rafters, posts and bars, that is truss. Next is a large crowd of people, that is throng. A group of dancers, artists or acrobats, that is trope. Of abusive invectives, that is torrent. Of grass or hair, that is tuft. Questions, that is barrage. In the study of sounds, that is called acoustics. The science of soil management and the production of field crops, that is called agronomy. Next is chemistry in ancient times, that is alchemy. Cultivation of trees and vegetables, that is arboriculture. The study of duration of life, that is chronology. The last one is the art of making fireworks, that is chromatics. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.